Let us discuss judicial review. Judicial review is an essential remedy against the possible legislative and executive excesses. The founding fathers incorporated the judicial review in the Indian judicial system. It was molded in accordance with the conditions and needs of the Indian social uh, principles. Everybody must know that the Constitution of India is the supreme law of the land. The Supreme Court has the supreme responsibility of interpreting and protecting the Constitution. Supreme Court, the Supreme Court of India acts as the guardian protector of the fundamental rights of the people. For this purpose, the Supreme Court exercises the power of determining the constitutional validity of the legislative and executive enactments. You must know that there are three organs of the government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Legislature is in charge of enacting the laws, and executive is there to execute such laws which are made by the parliament or legislature, and judiciary is there to interpret the justiciability of both the laws properly. So, the judiciary, the Supreme Court can reject any measures or any part of the enacted law enacted by the legislature and implemented by the executive. So, this power of Supreme Court is referred to as the judicial review power. By the same time, the state high courts also exercise such a power, but their judgments can be rejected. The judgments of the high courts can be modified by the Supreme Court. So, IT can declare acts of legislative and executive and administrative void. Any act or any of its part which is founded to be law, that means the constitution. So any act or any part of it which is founded to be against the written constitution as interpreted by the court is struck down by the court as unconstitutional. So my point of discussion is that suppose a law is made by the legislature and that law is being implemented by the executive, but the judiciary examines or finds that there is some sort of defects in both the laws, in enactment of law and execution of the law. In that case, the Supreme Court can declare it ultra vires, null and void, so it can reject it because it is unconstitutional. It is against the constitution. So, in simple words, we can say that judicial review is the power of the court it is by which it reviews the acts of legislative and executive in cases that comes before it. It determines the constitutional validity of the acts. It also rejects that act or any part of its which is found to be unconstitutional or against the constitution. So let us discuss what should be the constitutional basis of judicial review in India. I can refer some articles. At first, I want to refer Article 13. It provides basis to the judicial review for getting enforced the fundamental rights of the citizens of India. These rights, have been incorporated or enshrined in part of 3 of the Constitution. So the Supreme Court exercises the power for protecting the fundamental rights of the citizens. Thereafter comes Article 131 and Article 132. Both these two articles explain the original and appellate jurisdictions of the Supreme Court respectively. These include the power to settle center-state disputes between or among states and the powers to interpret the Constitution. Next comes Article 226. The disputes of 26, it provides a basis to the exercise of judicial review power by the state high courts for protecting the fundamental rights of the people as confirmed by Part 3 of the Constitution. And the last article, the basis of our judicial review, that is Article 246. The division of legislative powers between the Union and the states has been affected under the article. Since the Supreme Court has been assigned the power to decide all cases of Union, state disputes over the division of power between them, it also provides a basis to judicial review. So, all these articles together provide a legal and constitutional basis to the judicial review power of the courts in India. In this manner, judicial review is being exercised by our Supreme Court, the highest court of record, or the apex court. Thank you.